You sure you don't want to consider going to the cat kennel? I can't imagine you can't sell the stuff.